Have you ever watched your dog sleeping? Suddenly, its legs start running, its ears twitch, it even lets out a tiny bark. But here's the weird part. Scientists believe it might not just be moving, it could be reliving an entire adventure inside its mind. And one experiment with rats completely changed what we thought about animal dreams forever. For thousands of years, people believed dreaming was something only humans could do. But today, scientists think dogs, cats, birds, and even tiny rats may dream too. The evidence is surprisingly convincing. If you've ever owned a dog or cat, you've probably seen it. They're fast asleep. Then, their paws start moving, their whiskers twitch, their breathing changes. Sometimes they even make little noises. Most people joke, he's chasing a squirrel. But what if that's actually closer to the truth than we thought? Scientists decided to find out. Researchers studied sleeping animals using tiny sensors that measured their brain activity. They discovered something incredible. Dogs, cats, rats, even many birds, all enter a special stage of sleep called REM sleep. This is the same stage where humans experience most of their vivid dreams. During REM sleep, the brain becomes incredibly active, almost as active as when we're awake. But brain activity alone couldn't prove animals were dreaming. Scientists needed stronger evidence. Then came one famous experiment. Researchers let rats explore a maze. As the rats searched for food, specific brain cells fired in a unique pattern. Later, when the rats fell asleep, scientists recorded those same brain cells again, and something unbelievable happened. The exact same pattern appeared, almost in the same order. It was as if the rats were running through the maze again. Without moving at all, their brains were replaying the experience. This became one of the strongest pieces of evidence that animals may dream. But here's the twist. Scientists now think dreams aren't just random stories. Dreams may actually help strengthen memories. Imagine a young wolf learning to hunt. It spends the entire day chasing prey. That night, its brain quietly replays the hunt, almost like a free practice session. Without using any energy, dreaming might help animals remember important skills, avoid danger, and survive. In other words, dreams could be part of nature's training program. Can scientists tell exactly what animals see in their dreams? Not yet. No one can read dreams. But based on their daily lives, researchers have some pretty good guesses. Dogs may dream about playing fetch, going for walks, or spending time with their owners. Cats might dream about climbing, hunting, or exploring. Birds are even more surprising. Some studies suggest they replay their songs while sleeping, almost like practicing tomorrow's performance. And just like human babies, young animals spend much more time dreaming than adults. Their growing brains have more to learn. So, do animals dream? Science can't show us the movie inside their minds, but it can show us something almost as convincing. The same sleep stages, the same active brains, the same replaying of memories, taken together. The evidence strongly suggests, yes, animals really do dream. So tonight, if you see your dog quietly running in its sleep, or your cat's whiskers start twitching, maybe don't wake them. They could be visiting a world only they can see. And that leaves one final mystery. If animals dream about their favorite moments, do you ever appear in those dreams?